Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best new game consoles in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Nintendo Switch with neon blue and neon red. Upon its first reveal, it marketed itself as a mobile gaming system that not only could be played at home on your television, but also carried around and playable wherever you go. Its innovative console makes playing on the go easy and comes with a disassembling controller with split-screen options, so you can play with friends. This Switch has 50 third-party publishers in partnership for developing its future games. Hits like Mario Kart 8, The Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild and Mario Odyssey have given it a strong lineup. The Switch makes for a great system for parties with its mobile snap-off Joy-Con controllers. Once out of its docking station, it acts like a tablet with its own dedicated screen that can be shared with others through split-screen multiplayer games. Number 2. Our second best pick is Nintendo Switch Lite Turquoise. This is a cheaper, more portable option for gamers who want to experience all the best Nintendo titles on a budget. It ditches the dock and Joy-Con from the Nintendo's original Switch, establishing itself as a handheld-only device, and comes in multiple colors that pop, like bright turquoise or banana yellow. At 2/3 the price of a standard Nintendo Switch, there's a much lower barrier to entry, but it does come with a few sacrifices. Most notably, the Switch Lite doesn't dock to a television, meaning you can only play games in handheld mode. Along with the lack of a built-in kickstand that severely limits local multiplayer, but there are a handful of improvements over the OG Switch as well. The form factor feels better in the hands, and the smaller size makes it easier to take with you on the go. There's a real directional pad that works better than the OG Switch's directional buttons, especially for platformers or fighting games. These upgrades make the Switch Lite perfect for anyone who plays exclusively in handheld mode, who's looking for a better option on the go. Number 3. Our third best pick is Microsoft Xbox Series S. If you have to pick just one gaming console from this list, this is likely to be the most lucrative option for most people. It's a good low-cost alternative to the Series X, bringing much of the same experience to the table, albeit with some limits. The console can tackle 1440p gaming at 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second, but not 4K. Storage is a bit limited with 512 gigabytes, but you can expand it with the expansion card. The real value of the console comes from its ability to play all the same games as the Xbox Series X. It's also backwards compatible, giving you a wide range of games to play. The most cost-effective feature might be that you can use the Series S with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, giving you access to a large library of games for a monthly fee. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Microsoft Xbox Series X. This is the most powerful home console ever created, powering up to 12 teraflops of graphical performance for hyper-detailed native 4K games, at up to 120 frames per second on supported screens. Just as impressively, the super-fast custom SSD enables rapid loading of games and lets you swap between open games in mere seconds thanks to the unique Quick Resume feature. Microsoft's console is compatible with a wide array of past Xbox One, Xbox 360, and original Xbox games, but is currently lacking any big, new exclusives to truly warrant the $499 asking price. It's impressive hardware with a lot of potential ahead, although it could be well into 2021 before we start to see games that really make the most of this power-packed new Xbox. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Amazon Luna streaming game console. It is a game streaming platform, not a traditional console, but it serves the same basic purpose as a console. This streaming service is essentially Netflix for video games, in that it provides you with access to a library of games that you can play whenever you want, with no additional charges, on your computer, phone, Fire TV device, or even directly on your television. It has the lowest cost of entry of any game console or streaming service, as the monthly fee is quite low, and you don't need to buy any hardware. Amazon does sell a Wi-Fi Luna controller that works quite well, but you can use most USB and Bluetooth controllers with the service if you already own one. While this is a great alternative to modern game consoles due to the low price of entry, there are a few drawbacks. It has fairly poor Android support, which means you may not be able to run it on your Android phone. It does work well on both Windows PC and Mac OS though, in addition to iOS, newer Fire TV devices, and even some televisions that have Fire TV built in. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.